Bring out the dead. Bring out the dead. Bring out the dead. Bring out the dead.
Clear the way, there's a dead man walking. Will tell, my mouth's a harpoon gun. I spit through them, plus my Uzi weighs 2 tons. You better back up, hit the floor when I'm letting off, or you dead and gone like soldiers out in Lebanon. Crimes is federal, I'm hearing medicals over the border shells. Shock, somebody call the doc. Use an imbecile, these 2 towers will never fall. We built it from the ground up, stifle and render y'all. Stuck on stupid, idiotic from the chronic. Worse than bubonic plague, spreading fast and chaotic. 911 been shining since time begun. I'm the eyes that's in back of your head. Judge and jury, fist of fury like Bruce. I'll make you listen to me. I'm Big Brother in every hood, on every block, on every corner. Niggas shook from the aftershock. This is death row, I guess I'm Shook Knight. Lethal injection, lights out, good night. Electric chair if you have any last requests. Speak now or forever hold your breath, nigga. You a dead man walking.
Bring out the dead.
You a dead man walking. There's no escape, you a dead man
Bring
walking.
out the dead.
You a dead man walking. There's no escape, you a dead man
Bring out
walking.
the dead.
You a dead man walking. You a dead man walking. There's no escape, you a dead man walking. Yo, it's like Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Bring out your dead, bring out your dead. Make you walk the green mile with the chains and shackles. With a priest by your side like a straggler. You get a last meal or your family sent home. Hoping and praying you get saved from the death call. Smoke your last cigarette and hear the people yell. I wanna see them burn, I wanna see them sent to hell. Watch the victim's family smile when you get what you deserve. But when around came around, now it's your turn. Face your maker, Gabriel's horns with a crown of thorns. You're being persecuted, fate, it's a death march. You're doomed, inevitable since the bench warrant. Evil horror, destiny you'll never see tomorrow. The prosecutor and your funeral will be tomorrow. Should've been swallowed, you nothing but a waste of life. Nothing can save you now, even if you pray to Christ. You can't go against me, son. I'm running shit with a gun and clip. It's capital punishment. You a dead man walking.
Bring out the dead.
You a dead man walking. There's no escape. You a dead man
Bring out
walking.
the dead.
You a dead man walking. There's no escape. You a dead man
Bring out
walking.
the dead.
You a dead man walking. You a dead man walking. There's no escape. You a dead